This 2023 Grand Design Momentum 336M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 39 feet 10 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, sleep 6, awning, stovetop burner, slideout, oven, smoke detector, refrigerator, skylight, leveling jacks, air conditioning, external shower, and 110 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum 336M is 14,200 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.